Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Zelle with Titty Bank. In order to use Zelle with Titty Bank, you want to enroll via the mobile app. So basically, to access your Titty Bank account through the mobile app or online banking, so you could use your browser version as well. Now then, in the app, you just want to go ahead and log in, right? And in the app section, you just want to tap onto send money or send money with Zelle under the transfer in online banking, or just go to transfer and then send money with Zelle. Then follow the prompt to ensure your US mobile number or email, receive a one-time verification code, and accept the terms and conditions as well. As you've done that, to send the money, you just want to choose from your phone's contact or add a trusted person's email or US mobile number. Then type in the amount and add an optional note. Confirm the details on the review screen and select send money. Usually arrives in a minute. And that's how you could use Zelle with Titty Bank. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.